Okay, hi guys. So, this is the part 2 of reading the instruction of lantern. There's also I can inspect it as there's no inspect button to the lantern if I miss anything. So, I missed this. This lantern is from Hall of Fame Green Green. And I can do the inspection because I cannot. And Uray lantern you can buy. It was limited and only for 1,500 Robux. And moving to the next one, and this lantern was obtainable the first half completion and for 7,500 gold. This one is from Nightmare. Yeah, there's chapter 1 and this is the new lantern that and this going to amazing. You need to complete it with Jealousy chapter 2 Nightmare, including with the Boogeyman and Chainsaw. Wait, this one that you need to complete to get this lantern. So okay, I forgot to mention the game name is Mote and Twin AI test. And moving to the next one, the Saigomo lantern that you can obtain during the Nightmare ID. And this one is exclusive but you cannot get it anymore. It's the Shininashi lantern obtainable in Halloween 2021 but cannot obtain it. This one is good. So it's a lantern that you can buy in the shop for 1,500 yen. So okay, there's a picture. Robux. This lantern is obtained by executing the WM and they use it as a reward. Sorry, I disconnected. Alright guys, another server. I think it's as I was talking about, I think Shinigami was executed and they used to you completed the challenge. I think Ichigoku. This lantern from the Christmas Trials Nightmare that you can get on the Christmas. I don't have to I'm tired. My hands are so bored. And I forgot to mention the spirit lantern that you can obtain in chapter 2 Nightmare. Sorry. So this is the board lantern will not show